back into it on this one after I just reviewed the Gerber Mansfield. Right back here. This one I recently reviewed, the Maxey Samurai. Today we're reviewing a knife from Artisan Cutlery, which is a Tanto. Black finish. Pocket clip, black finish. Hardware is blue. Inner hardware is fully black. Scales are camo G10. It does have holes for weight reduction, as well as some bigger ones in there. A flush G10 backspacer with a lanyard tube. Post that is a lot better and much larger than the Gerber Mansfield. And a reversible pocket clip with blue screws. It is a liner lock. It is a very large knife. And it has flipper to open. Ergonomics for my hand are great. My palm is 4 inches across from here to here. So that is what you're looking at when I hold this knife. Overall, from what I saw, this was about $70. And it's pretty good for that price. D2 with a very wicked Tanto. And you can use these holes to flick it open. Overall, it's pretty nice. I'll definitely post some more updates after I've used it a bit. But for now, here's basically fresh out of the box review on that one. Have a good day. Cheers, folks.